Hello everyone. Here we have some water animal quiz. So, let's begin. Number 1. Which animal is the king of water? A. Dolphin. B. Killer whale. C. Shark. D. Turtle. The right answer is option B, killer whale. Number 2. Which animal has no bones in body? A. Seal. B. Walrus. C. Sea cucumber. D. Orca. The right answer is option C, sea cucumber. Number 3. Which animal is danger in water? A. Seahorse. B. Orca. C. Manatee. D. Box jellyfish. The right answer is option D, box jellyfish. Number 4. Which animal has blue blood? A. Whale. B. Shark. C. Octopus. D. Turtle. The right answer is option C, octopus. Number 5. Which animal's blood is white? A. Octopus. B. Ice fish. C. Squid. D. Beetle. The right answer is option B, ice fish. Number 6. What are sharks afraid of? A. Dolphin. B. Whale. C. Octopus. D. Jellyfish. The right answer is option A, dolphin. Number 7. What is the heaviest animal in the world? A. Stingray. B. Polar bear. C. Blue whale. D. Sea lion. The right answer is option C, blue whale. Number 8. Which animal has the longest lifespan? A. Glass sponge. B. Seal. C. Frog. D. Whale. The right answer is option A, glass sponge. Number 9. Which animal sleeps with one eye open? A. Stingray. B. Clam. C. Shrimp. D. Dolphin. The right answer is option D, dolphin. Number 10. Which animal blood is yellow? A. Octopus. B. Squid. C. Sea cucumber. D. Shark. The right answer is option C, sea cucumber. Number 11. Which animal has no blood? A. Corals. B. Seahorse. C. Shark. D. Ice fish. The right answer is option A. Corals. Number 12. Which animal does not have a heart? A. Penguin. B. Whale. C. Starfish. D. Walrus. The right answer is option C. Starfish. Number 13. Which animal can see while sleeping? A. Sea lion. B. Lobster. C. Stingray. D. Dolphin. The right answer is option D. Dolphin. Number 14. Which animal can live up to 100 years? A. Penguin. B. Walrus. C. Tortoise. D. Squid. The right answer is option C. Tortoise. Number 15. Which animal has no brain, heart and bones? A. Turtle. B. Jellyfish. C. Walrus. D. Lobster. The right answer is option B. Jellyfish. Thanks for watching. Please do like and subscribe to my channel General Knowledge Laboratory and press the bell icon to never miss new video updates. Take care.